Alright, so this is the last lesson on surface areas and we're gonna have mixed shapes. And look, I found something that's just like this picture. What's the surface area of this shape? Well, we're talking about just the surface area, right? So it has, yep, what is this? Half of a sphere and a cylinder. So surface area would be outside, and then for a cylinder, surface area would be like, well, usually two bases and the lateral space. But because the sphere and the cylinder are meeting, surface area would be only the half of the sphere plus just one circle at the bottom, and then the lateral space, right? So that would have to be. It's kind of cool this way. No, it's cool. It's cool like this. So a sphere is 4 pi r square, and then r is 15 square. So that is 15 squared times 4. That's 900 pi. However, we only have half of this. So half of this would be sphere part. So half of a sphere is going to be 450 pi, right? And then, now the cylinder part. And the cylinder. So, for cylinder, we have, this is what we have. We have just the lateral area and one circle. So, circle is pi r squared. Lateral is 2 pi r plus the height, right? So, radius is 15. So, it'll be pi times 15 squared. So, that's the circle. That's 225 pi. And then the lateral area, so this side would be 2 pi r times the height, 22. So that gives you 660 pi. So lateral area, the circle, and the half of the sphere at the top, you add them together. 450 plus 660 plus 225, that gives you 1,335 pi, they all have pi's, centimeter square. There, so that's made of those figures. Alright, now the bottom piece. B. Look, same thing. It's an ice cream cone. It's so cool. It's half of a sphere at the top and the cone at the bottom. We're doing surface area, so you gotta add half of the sphere top and just the lateral face, right? We don't count this because it's covered, so it's not part of the surface. Surface is just the outside. So that would be half of the sphere is 4 pi r squared. 4 pi. 24 is the entire thing, so half of that would be 12. So that's 4 pi 144. That gives you 576 pi. But that's the full sphere. Now I'm going to divide it by 2 because it's half a sphere. So we have 288 pi for the sphere part, the top part. The lateral area, we don't count the circle. We just kind of pretty much have the pizza area, which is pi RL. So pi is pi, R is 12, L, the slant height is, they didn't give it to us. So 12 is here, 16 is there. We're looking for the lateral, so that's the hypotenuse they didn't give it to us. You can set up 12 squared plus 16 squared equals c squared. It's also a special one, 3, 4, 5. So that's gonna be 20. I hope you get 20. So the slant height is 20. So that gives us 240 pi. You add 240 plus 288, total of, yep, 8, 2, 5. 280 pi. Don't forget the unit. millimeter square. Oh boy. It's kind of like, I know my work is kind of messy because I wanted to try to squeeze in everything where you can see it, so that's what happened. So please take a look at these two videos, this video one more time, just so you get to practice mixed shapes. Bye bye! I just wanted to say that now we're done with learning target 6. You know what that means? There's just one more learning target left.